Check out this footage of driving in the snow in Mammoth after the intro. Snow in Mammoth. Crazy snowstorm, January 29th through 31st, around there, 2016. This is us driving away from Mammoth, actually, down to Bishop. And I haven't seen snow down to this elevation in quite some time. We had to have chains on all the way down to almost Bishop. And it was a crazy storm. It was snowing all the way down to Lone Pine, which is, haven't seen that in a very long time. Let's just put it that way. We didn't get to the top of the mountain because there was zero visibility and they had the upper gondola closed. But yeah, as you can see here, it was pretty epic. And in a bit, we're gonna see the footage of driving actually in the town of Mammoth Lakes, and you'll see snow plowing, and look at that, beautiful. This is around the Canyon Lodge area, and yep, just driving super slow down Canyon Boulevard, yeah, and this little bobcat thing just plowing snow right in front of us. It was an awesome trip, and hopefully the snow continues so California can get some water, get some snowpack.
You are being hypnotized by the sun to subscribe.